have been receiving requests for the 310 cubic centimeters engine disassembling and assembling of the cylinder head cover and replacing timing chain. So here goes. Replace the official chain video tool number 8 T-bar, number 10 T-bar, number 17 machine wheel wrench, number 24 electric gun, number 5, number 6, and number 10 hex wrenches. First, use the number 8 T-bar to remove 2 M6X45 and 8 M6X30 bolts. After using the number 6 hex wrench to remove the M8X35 hex bolts, remove the steel head cover. After removing the steel head cover, use number 10 and number 5 hex wrenches respectively to remove the large and small AC covers. Use the number 17 socket to reach the large AC cover hole on the left ball box cover. Insert the socket deeply and turn the flywheel bolt counterclockwise to align the kick point slip line with the marked groove center line of the small AC hole on the left cover. After aligning the kick point, with the ends of the two protruding wheel shafts facing outward, insert the tensioner with the number 8 kick rod. After removing the tensioner, use the number 8 T-bar to remove 10 M6X45 bolts. When removing the camshaft pressure block, pay attention to the two positioning pins under the pressure block falling out with the block. Remove the positioning pins and reinstall them in their original positions without interchanging them. Sequentially cancel the exhaust camshaft. After removing the ferry shaft, please refer to the clutch disassembly video to remove the right rod and clutch, and use a number 8 T-bar to loosen the 3 muscle seam bolts. Remove the M6X30 bolts with copper washers to take off the oil pump. When disassembling the oil pump, pay attention to the two positioning gasket pads underneath. Take out the official chain and replace it. Insert the official chain from above the steel head and fit it onto the weighted official driving sprocket. Before installing the oil pump, check the oil pump gasket and the two 5x14 positioning boxes to confirm that none are missing, then install the oil pump and 3 oil passage boxes with O-rings. Insert the bolts and tighten with a number 8 T-bar to a torque of 12 Nm. After installing the oil pump, please refer to the clutch disassembly video and verification video to install the clutch, glaze cover, and protruding wheel shaft in order. Install the large and small AC covers and tighten with number 10 and number 5 hex keys. Before installing the steel head cover, check for missing positioning pins, O-rings, and steel head cover gaskets. After confirming everything is correct, install the steel head cover. Insert 1 M8X35 66° bolt, 2 M6X45 bolts, and 8 M6X30 bolts, and finally tighten the bolts with a number 8 T-bar and number 6 66° wrench. Thus, the process of replacing the official chain is completely finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, so you don't miss out on all the new model bike releases, and how to look after your Zontes ride. Whether you have an older model or the latest model, you will find them all on my channel homepage. Until next time.
I'm coming for the throne.